I'm going to do a short video, believe it or not. So there's nothing else but that. That's all there is. Watch it for a second. It's barely moving. It's too close to the ground to be any kind of machine that they're using up in space that gives false illusions, isn't it? I mean, can it come this low down to the ground? Or is that what I think it is? Which is a hovering craft? Huh. It's too sharp, edgewise, to be anything. That's a vehicle. Oh, no, it's not. There's a highway back here, and that wasn't a vehicle. That's... Yeah, squares. Wow. Something's up on its side here. It's lifting. Ooh, two things came off it. Did you see that? Oh, I hope you guys can see that. They're moving. They turned into one thing. How does that happen? Whoops, sorry about that. I'm gonna get in a little closer. That's as close as I can get. Square, another object, and then that. And then they look like windows of some sort. So does that. Sounds crazy, I know it sounds crazy. But that's what it looks like. And that looks like something, obviously, it's not attached, it's hovering over this. And I bet you that's going to shoot off it. And this is pewter in color, and this is too. How it's coming on your end, I don't know. And this is shooting some kind of, it was shooting something down like a see-through kind of, it's going to sound crazy, but like a tube. Oh my. Let's see what this is doing. Okay. That is very interesting right there. These so-called, like, what looks like windows. Ooh. Can you see that? Maybe not. It came out of here. It just glided right out of there. I don't know if you can see it. See a line here? Right there, that's what it was. And it came from, slid out from here. So that's like a, oh man. That's a launching hatch maybe? Which would make sense with this because these are up here. So that might be one too. Okay, there's one of those down there. Look at that. Whoa! That was exciting. That was on the ground, kind of hovering over the ground. You saw that. I know you saw that. That came out. That came out. They're coming out of these things. They're shooting them out. Well, this is a ship, and it's holding other little ships. My goodness, is that something? Now this here is an excellent capture. I'm amazed. This really amazed me. Wow. There's something dark there. So that's going to be coming off. We're in all the way. Oh, there's one of those things. The tube. See those lines? Something's going on. It's got like a haze coming out of it. What are they shooting down here? Oh, is that where those things came from? From one of these? We'll see if we can find a couple others coming down. Wow. There is a little something here. I really needed to this. I hate doing that, but wow. Oh, what happened? It glitched. What happened? Look at it now. Let me pan back. What the heck happened? Alright, let me pull back. That glitch was major. It looks like it changed shape. That was powerful. Man, was that powerful. Look what it did. That is totally weird. That is not what we were looking at. Alright, I think we're done here. Oh, look what just popped up now. Let me show you what just popped up. Wow, wow. Isn't that something? Okay, we are finished. Whoo! Thanks for stopping by. I'm going to go watch this. Upload it and watch it. I'll see you soon. Somewhere. Just as I was getting ready to leave, this popped back on. But, okay, so see this connected in between? And then this? That is exactly what happened after the glitch. It has to be. Because it restored that last thing from like before the glitch. Or right after the glitch, yeah. Or during the glitch, I don't know, but look. We got that red thing there. I have no idea what or why. And then it says this. So, I guess we got kicked off. Which is fine. We got the good stuff. But that, I don't know what time around the glitch it is. Before, during, or after. Okay, now we're leaving. Thanks for swinging by. It's this thing here. These things right here. They're doing something. I don't know what it is though. Alright, bye.